Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about why Rocket Money needs your bank info. I know that this is a question that a lot of people have, and I'm here to answer it for you. But before I get into the details, I want to take a step back and talk about why you might want to use Rocket Money in the first place. Rocket Money is a personal finance app that helps you save money on your bills. It does this by tracking your spending and finding you better deals on things like insurance, credit cards, and internet service. So, if you're looking to save some money, Rocket Money is a great tool to use. Why does Rocket Money need my bank info? Now, let's get to the question at hand. Why does Rocket Money need your bank info? The answer is that Rocket Money needs your bank info in order to track your spending and find you better deals on your bills. Rocket Money uses a process called screen scraping to collect your bank data. This means that Rocket Money doesn't actually have access to your bank account. Instead, it simply takes a screenshot of your bank statements and looks for information about your bills. Once Rocket Money has your bank data, it can start to look for ways to save you money. For example, it might find you a better deal on your car insurance or internet service. Rocket Money also uses your bank data to create a personalized budget for you. This can help you track your spending and make sure that you're on track to meet your financial goals. Is it safe to give Rocket Money my bank info? Yes, it is safe to give Rocket Money your bank info. Rocket Money uses a secure connection to protect your data. And as I mentioned earlier, Rocket Money doesn't actually have access to your bank account. How can I use Rocket Money to save money? There are a number of ways that you can use Rocket Money to save money. Here are a few tips. Sign up for Rocket Money and connect your bank accounts. Review your spending and identify areas where you can save money. Use Rocket Money to find better deals on your bills. Create a personalized budget and track your progress. I hope this video has answered your question about why Rocket Money needs your bank info. If you're looking to save money, I highly recommend giving Rocket Money a try. It's a great tool that can help you take control of your finances. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. I'll see you next time.